Hello, little explorers. Welcome to the exciting Arctic adventure with me. And let's meet some wonderful friends who love a cold, snowy world. Can you guess who they are? That's right, it's all bright. It's a polar bear. Look at these big fluffy friends. Polar bears are the king and queen of the ice Arctic. Let's find out some great facts about them. Our polar bear friends live in a magical place covered in snow and ice. It's like they're showing their own snow kingdom. Polar bears are fantastic swimmers and have big feet to help them slide on ice. Imagine them sliding on ice with their big feet. Here is something very cool about polar bears. They have amazing superpowers. Can you guess what it is? This weird. It is their very good sense of smell. These furry friends are like the best fish catching masters. They have a superhero nose that allows them to smell fish from miles away. The smell is so strong that you can smell favorite snacks like fish or seals from very, very far away. Little friend, a change has come for polar bears. What change is it? Just as you have family, polar bears have family. Mother polar bears took care of their young cubs and played together in the snow, but their frozen homes are melting because of a factor called climate change. My little explorers, now we need to help our polar bear friends. We can do our best to help by using less energy and protecting the Earth. Well, this is the end of today's Arctic adventure. I hope you enjoyed learning about polar bears. Remember that you have to be kind to the Earth so that polar bears and other friends can live in happy and cold houses. One thing to remember, let's keep the Arctic chilling and thrilling. Bye, friends!